Hi, Dr. Lala here.
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
So, today po ay punta tayo ng Shanghai. So, dapat yung original flight namin po is on October 24. Kaya nga lang po, nakakalungkot po yung nangyari sa atin, ano? Dahil sa bagyong Christine. So, bukod sa naapektuhan po tayo, or affected din po only pa, pinasok din yung bahay namin. So, nakakalungkot na maraming kababayan natin ang naapektuhan. Since nilibook yung flight namin from 24 to October 27, we are now going to Pudong, Shanghai. And hopefully, tayo po ay makaabot pa sa Canton Fair, pero ano po hanggang November 4 yun. So, makita niyo po yung mga foods na pwede natin kainin or yung mga nagpapabili dyan ng pasabay ng labubu. Hopefully, hindi tayo maharang sa customs. Medyo congested ngayon ang airport. By the way, we are flying via Cebu Pacific. Yan. So, mamaya pa po yung aming flight. And yung rebook fee namin, I got the rebooking fee free. And sa Agoda kasi kami kumuha ng ticket. So, and for this flight, and for this travel, I brought my bag. The new green bag. Yan. So, mamaya natin titignan ko ano laman ng new green bag ko. Siyempre, alam niyo yung mga essentials lang, yung mga nilalagay ko doon. So, we're flying via Cebu Pacific. Sa mga tamad maglakad yan gabi. Dito tayo sa mga fast trail. So, yung naiwan ko yung aking power bank. Daming tao ngayon? Siguro dahil maraming nga na-stranded dahil ng ano. Welcome to China. Grabe, super lamig. Alam mo, ang dali rin namin sa immigration. Walang masyadong tanong. Tapos pagdating namin, meron ng fingerprint scanning. So, naalala ko yung aking pinsan si Kim. Local na local. Kim, kamukha mo yung mga tao dito. Siyempre, medyo nagtagal sa immigration. Nakita na ata sa akin. So, as of now, the weather here is 80 degrees centigrade. Yan ang mga gustong-gustong weather ni Dr. Lalay. Medyo malamig-lamig. Ang laka-laka ng airport ng Shanghai. Kasi yung last time na pumunta ako dito is with my sister and brother-in-law. Hangzhou kami nagstay. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Shanghai. Welcome to China! Yan. And since it's around mga 1:30 AM na, mamaya na tayo magpatuloy ng ating pag-video Need to Rest, and we're still waiting for our shuttle going to the hotel. See ya!
Don't tell her where to go. She thinks she'll make it for her own good. You better decide.
Good morning. So, nasa China na tayo ngayon. Sinunod na kami ng supplier, and then kami ay may breakfast din. Sarap ng weather. So, nandito na po tayo sa authentic na Chinese restaurant. And kasama po namin si Catherine and si Wuping. Ayun. So, these are the food. Dami, as in mga fresh food. Oh, I like this one too. Nice. Okay, ito kinuha ko to. I got this one. And there. Oh, ito. Sarap din. Ang omelette, ng dami nilang choices. Ito pa para pang biya sa atin. Para pang biya. Yeah. Grabe yung mga crab nila. Buhay na buhay pa yung mga crab. Froggy. May frog. Froggy. Crab. And then they also have the super excited na ako kumain. Ang sarap ng pagkain nila dito. Oh my gosh. All fresh food. Chinese food. Now, ang temperature po dito ngayon sa Shanghai, China is, I think, 17 to 18. Ang ganda dito. Laki. Isa lang napansin ko, no, karamihan din, dami nagsismoking. No offense ha, pero yun lang. So, yung dinner namin dito sa sa mall. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan ng mall. Mix. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Nice. So, this is it. Ganda ng weather nila. I love it. Oh. So, this is a great mall. Grabe, laki ng mall. So, nasa 6th level kami. Parang high-end mall to sa China, in Shanghai. Dito na kami sa restaurant. Grabe, ganda ng vibes nila. Tapos wala pa akong talaga yung piliin silang puro warm. So yung water na binigay sa akin, yung water is warm.
Time is arrived. Be careful. Two. One. Another. Okay. Yeah. Another.
Talagang dalawa lang ang kaya.
Another. Okay, it belongs to you. Another. Okay. 2, 3. Only two. Oh.
Sige, walang problema. Tala na nila dalawang imo.
Wow! It's great! 又怎么了？ See if have the stick. This one have the stick. It's a new surprise. 什么 surprise？
导弹鬼要还一个，你可以选一个还一个。
什么叫还一个？
骗了导弹鬼的。
还什么？还什么？
抓起的手办减少一个。导弹鬼减少一个。
What?
Unlucky. Because the rule you get this one, you need the back one. You need a reduce one. This one. Yeah. Okay. Only.
For you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Great. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Thank you so much. Yan. So, nandito tayo sa aming hotel. Yati Hotel? Yes. So, ito yung itsura ng hotel nila. Tingnan nyo, guys. Wow, ang ganda. See? Ngayon, magagala muna tayo papuntang Nanjing Road.
Don't tell her where to go. She thinks she'll make it on her own. Go get better, I saw it then. Oh no, I'm still knocking on her door.
Grabe, food hall. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta sa food hall. Puro pagkain. Yung hall. Daming food. Tayo ay nasa river cruise ngayon. Ang ganda pagkagabi, oh. Wow. Yan, so mag-dinner na kami after ng cruise. Yung restaurant na natin. Yung mga food choices. Yummy. Init lang. Init.
Hindi mo dugo rin, ano?
Ayan.
小碗要2小碗。
小碗哪有啊？那小碗那搞不给他几个小碗。
So, hi guys. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Hangzhou, no? Hangzhou East from Shanghai. So, kami ay pupunta muna sa Shanghai South Railway Station. Yan. Kasakay kami ng bullet train going there. So, it will take siguro mga 1 hour or less. So, yan. Medyo na-delay kami ng ticket kasi dapat pala do not book online kasi dapat it's more than 12 hours ka nag-book. Kasi kami nag-pending. So, we have to buy another ticket ulit. So, lumipat na po kami dito sa railway ng Hokiao going to Hangzhou East. Yan. So, ganito kalaki Parang airport din, ano, yung ano nila, yung train. So, ang laki nitong, ano, train station nila. Ito yung bullet train na tinatawag. Mas malaki pa sa airport natin. Ang ganda naman. So, magpo-coffee na kami. Huwag niyong kalimutan lagi yung passport. Kailangan talaga lagi natin yung passport dito. Yan. First time to ride the bullet train from Shanghai, Hongqiao to Hangzhou East.
Don't tell her where to go. She thinks she'll make it on her own. You better
We are here na sa Hangzhou Railway Station. So magla-lunch muna kami. Kararating lang namin dito sa Hangzhou East. Ang bait ng boss ni Grace. So this is where we will eat our lunch. So it will be an authentic Chinese food. Let's go inside. Yung sarap siya.
225没收拾好了。
Nice. Okay, sit here.
Yeah, it'll be fine. 我一会把2位置都发给你好了。
Hugasan nila yung ganito nila gamit din yung tea.
We will have a big teams, you know, and then there will be, for example, there's a project, and sometimes for your projects like this time is very large, then I will involve too. Like this one, this is a very simple glass house. At this very simple glass house, you see, we have already this kind of large teams, facade engineer, I mean, windows and facade engineer, and steel engineer, and this is after sales, I mean, all the dressing up, and this is Grace, you see, Grace order, and Jesse, and some others, you see. So that's why Australia, this Australia Proking company, they have an order, then we will have, you see, this 14 staff, more people. This is their big boss, Eddie. So, yeah.
And as usual, na-stuck na naman ako. At hindi na naman nakasakay ng plane dahil po may problem with Agoda booking. And sabi nila ay ibabalik daw po nila yung aking inayad. So I have to book another plane ticket going to the Philippines. So, habang gano'n, nag-iikot muna kami dito. Yan. Ito, masarap na yogurt. Yan. Yan. Kapatid ko, bibilang ko si Jane nito. So, 30 CNY. Last day in China, so hindi na po kami nagpunta sa Disneyland kasi hindi rin naman masasakay sa mga rides. Wow, ganda naman nila. Yan. So, looking for the Papa Mart. halagang 800 pesos. Busog na busog ka na. Sarap po dito sa China, guys. Friendly yung mga tao. Madali silang kausap. Kaya lang, kailangan mo mag-download ng, ng translating language translator. Kasi most of them do not speak English. Pero, marunong sila, magaling nilang umintindi. Bilis silang mag-isip. Hi guys, this is our last day in China and I'm really happy. Pero kahit naiwan kami ng plane, sobrang happy ko dahil ang bait ng tao dito. Plus, we love the food. Very safe. Ang ganda pati ng weather. So definitely, I'm gonna go back here in China with my family. And that's it for now. Stay safe. See you in a while, Philippines.